Guide you how to add accounts into MKT Care. So you can create a new category. You can choose every name and you can click add. From now you can choose to add account. You can copy the accounts from the text document that you have and you can paste into the software. The next step, you need to choose the category and you're gonna choose the format type of the accounts. For example, I will choose with my format is gonna start with the UID, password. Next one is gonna be the 2FA code, the same like the private key, and next one is gonna be email and password of the email. After you finish choosing the format, you can click add, so all the accounts will save into the software. You can choose all the accounts to add proxy. If you want to here, you can click and you can log into Facebook with the login with browser. If the proxy, in the next video I will guide you how to paste proxy. If you have any questions, you can ask me in Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you.